Introducing Pfannenberg's DMC 8.0, our door-mounted chiller engineered specifically for compact BESS containers. The DMC 8.0 is compact with the option for semi-recessed installation, helping you save valuable internal space without compromising performance. Designed for harsh, real-world conditions, the DMC 8.0 operates reliably in ambient temperatures from -13 degrees Fahrenheit to +131 degrees Fahrenheit while maintaining low environmental noise levels. An inverter-driven compressor adjusts dynamically to your battery's charging and discharging cycles, optimizing cooling and energy use in every phase of operation. This combined with the microchannel condenser minimizes energy use. High-efficiency EC fans deliver powerful airflow with low energy consumption and minimal noise, ideal for noise-sensitive or urban installation sites. The DMC 8.0 delivers high-temperature precision, automatically adjusting cooling capacity to match demand. This results in exceptional thermal stability, within ±1 Kelvin even at loads as low as 30%. Integrated heating elements maintain proper fluid temperature during standby mode, increasing battery life and system readiness during colder months. With the integrated Pfannenberg controller, the DMC 8.0 supports both Modbus RTU and Modbus TCP, enabling remote monitoring and integration with your battery management system. The DMC 8.0 is also designed with an optimized internal layout, allowing for easy maintenance from the front of the unit. Technicians can access critical components quickly, reducing downtime and simplifying service routines. Whether mounted directly to save internal space or recessed into the door panel, the DMC 8.0 offers installation flexibility for new builds or retrofits. Perfect for space-conscious BESS layouts. The DMC 8.0 by Pfannenberg, engineered for energy storage built for the real world. Space-saving, smart, ready for any environment. To learn more about Pfannenberg's compact DMC 8.0 chiller for BESS, visit pfannenbergusa.com for specs, drawings, and models. Need assistance? Our team of application engineers is ready to help. Use our website's chat or email us at solutions@pfannenbergusa.com. Thanks for watching.